Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Will.
I'm Franklin.
We're the Honest Jerks. We're talking to you today about a scumbag individual by the name of Martin Shkreli, wherever the hell his name is.
Fuck his name is.
He's a CEO.
CEO of
Turing Pharmaceuticals.
Yep.
He raised the price of a drug called Daraprim, which helps people with like weaker immune systems like cancer and HIV. Helps combat like different, ailments that they may have. He increased it from $13.50 a pill, which is a lot, to, let me get this right, $750 a tablet. So his reasoning for that is for what? Being greedy.
Being greedy, but his legal saying is basically the up price of the pill is going to be the money's going to be towards more research of these diseases and whatnot. So basically, his saying is the people who have the disease, they're going to be paying for the research to basically help cure the disease.
Yeah.
But he basically did this price hike overnight, like literally overnight.
So let's say Sunday it was $13.50 a tablet for Daraprim, and Monday morning $750 a tablet. So people are going to be spending upwards near hundreds of thousands of dollars if they go through like regular routine treatment with this particular drug.
They said that the minimum you would have to pay is about $1,100 for the treatment of this.
That's just one dose or one cycle?
You're going to be paying for pills over and over. From $13 up to $1,000. That's a lot of pills per pill. But now it can be, the highest estimates are going about $634,000. So basically, you'd have to give up the mortgage of your house, your cars.
Some people don't even have that.
Yeah, some people don't even have
So
that.
they're basically giving people a death sentence for having this, and this is just like capitalism at its best.
At its best.
Yeah, it's fucking.
And he said in an interview that if these people couldn't afford it while they're going through the process with the insurance company and everything, they would give this
because insurance companies
for free. He said they give them for free, which I highly doubt, because there's going to be so much red tape that you're going to have to get through that eventually you'll probably just say fuck it, or you'll just die before you get the pill.
Yeah, they're trying to get people to seek other alternative medications or other generic medications to use other than the Daraprims and other medications such as that. Because there was also another pill by the name of cycloserine. I'm probably mispronouncing that. I'm going to leave the thing down at the bottom. It's used to, it's like a multi-drug for tuberculosis. It's like a multi-drug treatment for like tuberculosis.
Yeah.
And that went from, for a pack of 30 pills, it went from $500, which is a lot of money, for 30 pills, to $10,800, also overnight. So that's just pretty fucked up for these big pharmaceutical companies to even do that to people, because the average individual does not have that. Like, and a lot of these people who are suffering with tuberculosis are people who are poor, especially people from other countries. They get TB all the time. And to treat that, like it's a steps process that you have to take when you have tuberculosis and stuff like that. Like, one of the jobs that I work at, they make you do take a MAN2, which is a TB test to make sure that you don't have it. So I gotta get this shit done soon anyway.
Yeah, most a lot of jobs.
Yeah, so it's like you can't be passing tuberculosis. A lot of schools have those types of things. So if a kid has that, and you're like a low income or quote unquote ghetto urban area, or even a like low financial
Section 8 kind of thing.
that type of thing, you're going to basically have to sell a child to get this treatment for these drugs. And people are going to start resorting like how Denzel did in John Q for that type of shit.
And the thing is, a lot of people are probably sitting there thinking, oh, how does this affect me? Well, this price hike made, and I believe the number's right, about it made the stock market and NASDAQ or whatever, it made it go down 4%.
Yeah.
Because people are getting scared and shit and nervous. So I mean,
so whenever there's bad news on the stock market anyway,
it can
people
affect
sell like a motherfucker,
lot,
and the shit starts to like
then
go
it's
down.
affecting you. And then even political party has gotten involved. Hillary Clinton said she's going to address this issue about pharmaceutical companies raising, price hiking. Sanders and I believe one of the governors or senator or someone, I forget them. We'll put it in the description. They wrote a letter to the guy demanding why it's such a price hike, why such a price hike.
Why are you being a dick, dude?
And the thing is, here's the thing too. There's a backstory on this piece of shit. In 2013, he was harassing an ex co-worker or ex-employee of his or ex-boss, basically saying that this guy owed him a bunch of money. He was emailing his son, Facebook friending requesting him, saying he was going to sue his father. He was hitting up the wife of this guy. He hacked this guy's email accounts. He was texting his family, and this went on for a while. They settled in court, and it was just showing. I mean, you can go online. We'll send you. We'll put a link up too, where this guy is just. You can see his actions in the past. That he's a piece of shit. What I think is going to happen is
he's a loan shark that turned businessman.
Oh yeah. What's going to happen is a lot of shit like that's going to come up from his past, and he's going to be fucked. But it is open to discussion about how the pharmaceutical companies just do whatever the fuck they want to do because one, it's unfortunately it's illegal, and two, you really can't do anything.
You know, it's a pretty good documentary. You ever seen a documentary by Michael Moore called Sicko?
No, I've never seen that. I heard about it.
You might want to check that out because the way the American health system is pretty fucked up. Like, you know, like you go to places like Cuba. That's why a lot of people go like Mexico,
Canada.
Not even there because they charge a lot of money too. People go to like Mexico
for Canada.
People go to like Mexico and like Colombia and Dominican Republic, Costa Rica, shit like that because they have a pretty good medical system. You know, medical care down there. People get like shit down there. Like, you know, people get like procedures done that will cost them hundreds of $1,000s up here. They'll get it for like $10,000 or some shit like that.
It's iffy, but I see where you're going.
It's iffy, but the thing about it is Cuba
affordable.
has one of the best healthcare systems in all of the world.
I mean, I get it. I'm not paying no $750 for
a fucking pill.
One pill.
I bet you if you go to Cuba, it'd be like 50 cents a pill. If that. No, I bullshit you not.
Well, it costs $1 to make. That's what the guy said. He said it costs zero.
It
costs $0 to nothing to make, and he's saying that for the last couple of decades that this drug
like
really wasn't making. This drug wasn't making a lot of money. The company that had it wasn't turning a profit.
I don't get it. If it costs $1 to make,
and it costs
$13.50.
Yeah, you're making a lot of money. You're just not making enough money for him to be snoring coke off a hooker's ass. That's what it comes down to. You know what? I would respect these people. I wouldn't root for them, but I would respect someone that's be like, I'm greedy as fuck. If they just came out and said that, I would respect you a lot more trying to hide behind, oh, this money needs to go to research and everything like that. Like, are you fucking serious? Like, no, it doesn't. You just need some hookers and you want to be on your yacht, but now you made yourself a bigger target and someone will try to take you out. Someone's going to try to take you out. That's what's going to happen.
That's what happened. Like, the state of like healthcare in this country is just like people are going to start resorting to different tactics. There was a gentleman who robbed a bank because his kid was sick or something like that.
Yeah.
I think his daughter had cancer, so he robbed the bank to get his daughter's cancer medication. Shit like that's going to happen, man. Like, there was a football player, I forgot what team he plays for, in the NFL. He was good, but he wasn't really good enough to stay on the team. So they kept him on the team so he can keep his health benefits to take care of his daughter that has cancer. And, you know, like, they recently just cut him, but they're still keeping him at the benefits so they can treat his daughter, which is excellent. Like, shit like that, I like seeing things like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's the way, like, this healthcare and the way the people like this asshole Martin Shkreli, whatever the fuck his name is just trying to rape the people is just unbelievable.
Well, they always say the cure is in the money's not in the cure, it's in the.
Are you gonna fuck this saying
I fucked it up, didn't I?
Yeah, you fucked it up pretty good.
Did I?
Yeah.
The money's not in the cure, it's in the medicine. That's what I said.
The money's not in the cure, it's in the medicine.
Yeah, that's what I said. I didn't fuck it up.
A little bit.
Not a little bit.
You stumbled a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Anyway, I'm Will.
I'm Franklin.
We're the Honest Jerks. We are going to wrap this up. If you like us, like,
subscribe, share,
you know,
comment. You know the usual.
You know the usual shit we say.
Usual shit. You know.
We'll see you later.
All right, catch you later.
Peace.